I wear an apron. I take a cutting board. I am chopping vegetables. I am making sandwich. I turn on the gas stove. I cook food slowly. I put dishes on shelf. I fry an egg for breakfast. I wash my hands. I rinse fresh vegetables. I peel the potatoes. I slice the onions. I cut the tomatoes. I boil water. I heat the pan. I add cooking oil. I stir the soup. I add some salt. I sprinkle spices. I taste the food. I cover the pan. I lower the flame. I flip the pancake. I toast the bread. I spread butter. I add cheese slices. I chop fresh herbs. I mix the salad. I squeeze lemon juice. I grate the carrot. I crack an egg. I whisk the eggs. I pour the batter. I bake the cake. I set the timer. I check the oven. I steam the rice. I wash the rice. I soak the beans. I pressure cook lentils. I mash the potatoes. I knead the dough. I roll the dough. I fry the onions. I simmer the curry. I serve hot food. I set the table. I garnish the dish. I plate the food. I turn off the stove. I let food cool. I pack leftovers. I store food safely. I wash the dishes. I wipe the counter. I clean the sink. I dry the plates. I stack the bowls. I sharpen the knife. I read the recipe. I measure the ingredients. I use a spoon. I use a spatula. I cover the pot. I remove the lid. I smell the aroma. I adjust the seasoning. I add more water. I stir gently. I cook dinner tonight. I prepare lunch early. I make breakfast daily. I cook for family. I enjoy cooking time. I follow the steps. I keep kitchen tidy. I check the flame. I turn the knob. I heat the milk. I pour the tea.